In this Konect tutorial, we will learn how to capture the as-built details in the forms for Telstra pits and duct, and included in this will be capturing details that will relate to the manhole butterfly sheets. So we begin with an existing as-built project, and we want to make sure that we're in edit form mode. So we need to select our Telstra pit. Now the first thing we want to do is select as built from our construction status. When we do this, you'll notice that the owner and pit type will change. So we need to change that back to Telstra owner and the pit type to a manhole breakout. So if we scroll down, we will notice some additional fields have been added, and these relate to our manhole butterfly sheets. As we can see here in this illustration, you can see how some of the attributes we will be filling in and how they relate to a manhole butterfly sheet and also the Telstra plan. So if we toggle the equipment installed button, it reveals three options: the splice, loop or H joint. We can toggle them on or off according to what has been installed. So now let's toggle our A-end details. The first thing we can do here is add an A-end photo. This needs to be a photo of the A-end of the pit, clearly showing the A-end wall with a duct configuration. So here we can see a photo that has already been annotated, and we can see a breakout identified and duct configuration on the top left-hand corner. And this will effectively replace the duct configuration on a manhole butterfly sheet. We can also show or indicate the spare subducts, empty ducts, and whether there is space for breakouts on the left or the right. For the largest cable type, we have a pull down. So if we select the optical fiber, we've got a pull down for fiber only. If we select the copper cable or subduct, we'll get different pull downs. So we can select, we've got a fiber, we'll select the largest fiber size. We can also add an A-end reservation and also A-end duct used. And also our method, whether it's been, we've installed a P32 subduct or whether it's bare fiber. In this case, none, because it is a breakout. So now we can toggle the C-end equipment, and here we can indicate whether there is space on the C-end sidewall for a loop, splice or H joint. So now we can add an as-built photo of the manhole or pit, and this will be a photo of the pit from the outside. Refer to the Optus documentation for guidance on requirements for as-built photos for a Telstra manhole. So then we would finish off our B-end details and the D-end equipment, and then we could save. And we can see there that our manhole has turned green to indicate that it is as built. So now we'll select Telstra duct. Firstly, we'll select as built from construction status. We notice that the owner cross-section change, so let's change that owner back to Telstra and ensure that the cross-section is correct. In this case, it's new leased subduct. The as-built length needs to be the length that is on the Telstra drawings, unless there is a significant discrepancy. Once that's complete, we can hit save, and our duct will change to green to indicate that it is as built. We have hauled cable through there. So to finalize our Telstra details, we want to click anywhere within our project boundary, so away from the features. So we can see here, we can select our project boundary. Now we want to reveal our CFD contact details by toggling that CFD field. And here we can see some contact information that needs to be filled in. This corresponds to some of the contact information on our CFD form. So now we can select our contact point for technical inquiries, Optus Contact, and also our contact where Telstra will send their confirmation response. So they're both pull downs. Then we've got the contractor details here where we can fill that in. Same as we would do on a CFD form. And once complete, we can save the form. Once all Telstra details have been finalised, a CFD form, manhole butterfly sheets and a DWG of the plan can all be output from Optus systems for you to finalise and submit. So this concludes our tutorial for capturing as-built data for all Telstra leased infrastructure.